Okay, we're on to page 207 now. And the first word problem there says Ross poured 3 liters of milk equally into 5 jugs. How much milk was there in each jug? Okay, so I can think of if I have 3 total liters of milk and I divide them into how many jugs? 5 jugs. And then that's going to equal 3/5. Okay, so I can just make that my division problem there into a fraction, and I could say it's 3/5 of a liter. Okay, for number 8, it says to think of 2/5 of 100 is what? Well, we can think of this as 5 parts of 100. If we set that equal to 100 total, then one part is equal to how much? One part should equal 100 divided by 5. So each part is going to equal 20 in this case. So then I could say that two parts equals 2 times 20, because one part is equal to 20. Okay, so I have 2 times 20, so therefore 2/5 is going to be equal to 2/5 of 100 is equal to 40. There we go. Okay, so it should say 40 there. For this next one, for B, it says 5/6 of 180 is what? Well, I can think of each part. So one part should equal 180 divided by 6. Okay, so then each part should equal 30. And I know that I have 30 times 5 parts. 30 times 5 equals 150. So I should say this is 150. All right, so we can start to move a little bit faster through these next ones. Okay, so 3/8 of 240 is what? Well, I know that each part, so if I take 240 divided by 8, that equals 30. So each part is 30. So if I take 30 times my 3 parts, I should get 90. So that should be 90. 3/8 of 240 is 90. All right, we're looking there at 7/10 of 250. Well, I can say that 250 divided into 10 parts is equal to 25. Okay, and then if I think of 25 times, looks like there's 7 of them there, 7 parts, that should equal 175. So you should say 175. There's a couple ways to do these. This is just one method. So which gives a larger amount? Draw a ring around it. Well, let's see here. 1/2 of 200, I know that's about $100. And 2/3 of $120, I know this is going to be greater here. Okay, so I'm going to select A. All right, and then for B, it says 3/5 of 200 kilograms, so that's like 60% or 60. So this is going to be 3/4 is going to be 3/4 of 180. I think that's going to be the bigger amount there. So let's circle 3/4 of 180 kilograms.